Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today's video is gonna be kind of simple. Like I always do. I don't know, I'm crazy. Like I always do. Last time I did a Mario one that my cousin was playing. I wasn't playing, and yeah. Today's video is gonna be simple. Like always, I said. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but I will show you things that I got for Christmas. Oh my god. But don't judge me, guys. This just was because I asked it. I asked this thing because I wanted to do a video on it. Yeah. So, the thing that I got is a remote control car. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. It's not bad, right? Not bad. Not bad. And I'm gonna show you how does it work. It's not bad. Here's the controller thing. There's a switch right here. You turn it on. And here's the switch power for this one. So right here. See, it turns this light on. So yeah, we're gonna see how it does it go. So I'm gonna put the camera here. So you can see everything I do. I'll put the car. I'm gonna turn on the car. There we go. This is right there. You can see. Now I'll turn on this. There we go. Now you can see how this car works. Look at that, look at that. It's not bad, not bad. I just tried it last time this thing. It's not bad, look. Yo, it's not bad. Yo, this is not bad. This is good. Well, I did have this car in real life. My family. And it got stuck, I think. Oh my god. We're good now. I don't know why this car is doing like that. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. So yeah guys, that was the video. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and yeah, and I will be giving a giveaway. I will give a remote control car, or a Xbox, or a PlayStation 4. I don't know. Comment what do you want on the notification. But so yeah, you can comment out on there, and you can win a free Xbox or a free PS4 or a free remote control car. Or just comment down below what do you want to like giveaway. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, give them big thumbs up, and let's try to get 40,000 likes on this video. Thank you. Peace.